Hey guys and girls, so this is just a follow-up to the follow-up to the follow-up, maybe to the follow-up video for the electric dethatcher. So last weekend I went and I did my entire lawn, and you can see I just decided to do a second pass because this front half gets a lot of debris, especially from this tree. Really small, almost impossible to pick up leaves. So I thought, you know what, I'll do it again. So just going a little bit more in depth on how I do it. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, but you can see that I've made a perimeter. Last time I went back and forth this way, so now I'm going to go crossways, just like shaving, where you want to go against the grain and all that kind of stuff. When you keep going the same direction, you keep pushing the grass down. So it's good to go opposite directions. If you wanted to do it again, you could go on a 45-degree angle. So you can see it's picked up a lot of stuff. Again, the way that I found that worked, not breaking any tines, was to go forward, stop, turn the machine around, go back again. And that's what we're going to do again. Excuse the shaky video. Stop the machine, turn around, stop the machine, turn around. You can see look at all that good stuff that's hiding down in the grass that's keeping it from growing. Just like that. Takes a little bit of time, but you can see in the first video I didn't break any tines off. I find that having the cord away from the machine, you keep working your way this way, you're not going to run over the cord, or you're not going to have to move the cord nearly as much. So just keep working your way away from where the power source is. It's a pain with electric machinery, but what do you do? So you can see the grass looked fine, looked just like this section over here. Look at all this. There is some new growth in there, like that piece right there, but for the most part that is dead stuff that is doing you no favors being down in the grass like that. It's keeping air from getting there. It's allowing weeds to grow, all kinds of stuff. So hopefully this video helped you out. The other thing I wanted to show actually was I switched cords to a lighter gauge cord for outdoor use, and you can see that this one actually fits through the retainer and holds it in place. I'm just unplugged there, so make a liar out of me. But anyways, you guys get the idea. So we'll do another pass, especially in this front yard here, and take the lawnmower. Lawnmower will cut the grass, pick all this stuff up. It's doing the work for us. So say goodbye to the rake, say hello to the electric dethatcher. If you guys found the video informative, helpful, you know, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Think about leaving a comment down below. Sorry, I was going to wait for all this traffic to go by, but you know, that's all the road for you. But anyways, yeah, if you want to leave a comment below. Questions, I'll get back to you. Ideas for videos in the future, you name it, leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.